All right, now it is a first alert weather day, so let's find out everything that's going on and yet to come as well. Annalise.
Karen, we really have this two-day event and these waves of wet weather that are going to be something we're having to brace for, which is why we're seeing the winter storm warning. This has actually been expanded just a bit. It does include a little bit more of our area, in particular right along the Red River, but it still does include the Metroplex. It's now all the way to 6 p.m. for tomorrow, and then the rest of the area expecting that winter weather advisory. So basically, we are still expecting some icing possibly to the south, but the biggest impacts and the best chance to see that icing impact, it's going to be the Metroplex and then up towards Gainesville and places like Sherman. Let's take a look, though, right now at what we're dealing with on radar as we switch on over to Lynx One and meteorologist Jeff Ray. You've been with me all morning long tracking this. What are you seeing? Are the amounts a little bit on the lighter side? And of course, I know you're watching road temperatures too.
What we're looking at, I put the radar to a very sensitive mode, so we're picking up those lower powered returns. It's the only way really you can see drizzle. But this is something a little bit more than drizzle that is moving over in this tight band from Fort Worth over to Arlington and now just getting into parts of Irving Carrollton University Park. So again, with these temperatures in the low 20s to mid 20s, we are concerned about icing, especially in bridges and overpasses. And the reason we are real concerned is, of course, we have been seeing icing, but we take a look at these temperatures. We were talking about this at the top of the show. And if I go back, let's say 6 hours, I want you to notice the green area and notice how that's green in Dallas. These are temperatures that are well above freezing, and notice the blue take over as the day has gone on. Yes, the temperatures are dropping, and the reason for it is as long as this precipitation continues to fall, it is evaporating out. Some of it is evaporating out, and that evaporation, of course, is a cooling process. So it continues to cool the roads, continues to hold the temperatures down. Let me show you the point I'm making here on this graphic. It's been below freezing since 2 a.m. at Dallas-Fort Worth, and Annalise, the temperatures are still dropping. So that tells me that not only is the sun not warming us up today, but as long as we continue to see this light freezing drizzle moving across, the temperatures will probably continue to drop, maybe even a few more degrees. This does not bode well for the setup later tonight.
No, it does not, Jeff. Exactly. Yeah, those temperatures have been alarming. We've been talking about that all morning, how the models really kind of didn't get cold enough on how this event is playing out. But if you go back to 5 a.m., we were in the upper 20s. And like Jeff said, since then, instead of going up, we've been going down. We're now in the low 20s, 21 from Fort Worth to 23 in Dallas. A little bit of dry air mixing in, and that dry air is able to cool down more efficiently. And that's kind of what we've been seeing. The good part of that news is that road conditions are expected to actually improve a little bit with some drier air in place the next few hours. The bad news is that the air mass is going to keep getting cold, and we're going to be dealing with, again, another wave as we move on into tonight. That one looks to be more widespread. So moving on through the rest of today into tonight, we're up to about a 30% chance as we get into about 6 o'clock. Temperatures there in the mid 20s. As we put the clock into motion on what we're seeing with our next wave, the rest of today, it's going to be very spotty, very hit or miss. It's more so just freezing drizzle. Once we get into later tonight, I think past the evening period, this is more substantial, steady, light freezing rain. At times, there could be some sleet to mix in. I do think that would especially be the case to the northwest, Bowie to Bridgeport to Gainesville. But as you see, this is 3 a.m. and it is widespread where we're going to be seeing that impact of icing on roadways, certainly on elevated surfaces as temperatures stay below freezing. Where things could start to get better would be as we get into the afternoon tomorrow. Notice the wet weather moving back off to the east. Temperatures as of right now are forecast to get just above freezing during the afternoon tomorrow. I think maybe mid 30s for highs. That could help us to melt some of that. And then, of course, as we move on into the overnight, another cold Thursday night, but some dry conditions. Now, we have tweaked our ice accumulation amounts just slightly. Looks like we could see up to 1/4 of an inch of ice. I especially think that's going to be right along the Red River from Gainesville back to around Paris. And then as you head a little bit farther to the south, could see up to 1/10 of an inch of ice. That's especially places like Ellis County down to around Johnson County. Your extended forecast, this is a 2-day deal, 2 days where we're dealing with these first alert weather days, and then improvements with warmer air on the way as we head to the end of the weekend.